Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It, and I gotta tell you that the name of the company, She Buys It, the name of the event, She Buys It Live, is based off Proverbs 31:16, which says she goes to inspect a field and she buys it. All right? She goes to inspect a field and buys it, y'all. She goes on and plants a vineyard. She plants generational wealth. All right? My whole business, my whole company, my whole mission in life is to help women buy fields, buy houses, buy apartments, buy money, buy vacation rentals, buy that real estate, y'all. And it's all based on Proverbs 31:16, and it's all based on what I've learned here at church. So I'm extending an invitation to you. If you are coming to She Buys It Live, stay until Sunday, November the 10th. Come out to New Hope Baptist Church with me. If I need to, I will hire a bus. I'll bring the children's bus downtown. We'll load up that bus and bring everybody out here so that you can experience church with me. All right? It's so important that you are surrounded with people who are on the same mission as you are, with the same vision as you have. All right? And the people here, the songs we sing here, the words that I hear every Sunday here at this church fuel me. And I think they will refuel you as well. Please come to She Buys It Live, and please plan on staying through Sunday, November the 10th, and coming out to church with me. It's just a little country church, and we just sing and worship and pray and laugh and cry, and it's a beautiful ending to a beautiful week here in Knoxville, Tennessee. If you're ready to leave after Friday, you're ready to leave after Saturday, that's cool. If you're in Knoxville and you want to come any other week, we would love to have you out here at New Hope Baptist Church in Coreyton, Tennessee. So get your ticket to She Buys It Live. Come learn how to buy houses, how to buy apartments, how to buy money, how to buy beach houses, how to buy lake houses. Come learn all about the real estate. And we'll throw church in for free. Y'all come on. Go to SheBuysItLive.com. Come learn how to really live that Proverbs 31 life. Buy some real estate, ladies. Let's do this.